Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on research aptitude. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. A literature review requires A. Planning, B. Good and clear writing, C. A lot of rewriting, D. All. The correct option is D. All. 2. Which of the following is true about good hypothesis? A. It is formulated in a way such that it can be tested by the data. B. There is a limited scope and it should not have global significance. C. It is precise, specific, and consistent with most known facts. D. None. The correct option is A. 3. Which of the following is true about footnote? Correct option is A. It is essential in report writing. 4. The process not needed in experimental research is correct option is B. Manipulation. Rather, here correct option is yes, manipulation. 5. Manipulation is always a part of correct option is C. Descriptive research. 6. Which correlation coefficient best explains the relationship between creativity and intelligence? Correct option is A. 1. C. Action research means correct option is C. A research initiated to solve an immediate problem. 8. Research is C. Correct option is C. Working in a specific way to search for truth of any problem. 9. A common test is research demands. In research demands much priority on A. Reliability, B. Usability, C. Objectivity, or D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 10. Which of the following is the first step in starting the research process? Here correct option is A. It is searching sources of information to locate problem. B. Survey of related literature. C. Identification of problem. Or D. No, here correct option is C. Identification of the problem. 11. Which of the following statements is correct about validity and reliability? A. When internal validity is high, external validity is low. B. When internal validity is high, there is no change in external validity. C. When internal validity is high, external validity is also high. Here, correct option is C. When internal validity is high, external validity is also high. 12. While editing primary data, we have just to notice the information contained in the questionnaire. A. Homogeneous, B. Consistent, C. Complete, D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 13. In a single case design, you hope that the behavior of the participants is prior to the administration of treatment condition is A. Not highly variable, B. Highly variable, C. Moving at a steep rate of change, or D. None. The correct option is A. Not highly variable. 14. Which designs would use analysis of covariance during data analysis? Correct option is A. Non-equivalent comparison group design. Question number 15. For the first time, the word psychology was used by, correct option is A. Rudolf Gueckel. 16. The literal meaning of psychology is A. Science of behavior, B. Science of soul, C. Science of consciousness, D. Science of mind. Correct option is B. Science of soul. 17. Rudolf Gueckel used the word psychology for the first time in A. 1590 AD. 18. Psychology as the science of mind was defined by, correct option is D. Ancient Greek philosophers. 19. Scientific psychology came into existence during, correct option is A. 19th century. Question number 20. E.B. Titchener, 1867 to 1927 defined psychology as the science of A. Soul, B. Mind, C. Experience, D. Conscious experience. Correct option is D. 21. J.B. Watson defined psychology as the science of behavior. Correct option is B. 22. The unit of psychology is the group, whereas the unit of sociology, the unit of sociology is the group, whereas the unit of psychology is the individual. Correct option is B. 23. The branch of psychology which deals with the study of animal behavior is known as comparative psychology. Correct option is D. 24. The father of experimental psychology is A. Wilhelm Wundt, D. Sigmund Freud, C. C.G. Jung, D. E.B. Tishner. The correct option is A. Wilhelm Wundt. That is the correct option. 25. Hypothesis refers to, correct option is D. A tentative statement about relationship. 26. Statistics is used by researchers to A. Analyze the empirical data collected in a study, B. Make their findings sound better, C. Operationally define their variables, or D. Ensure the study comes out the way it was intended. Correct option is A. Analyze the empirical data collected in a study. 27. An observation of a dependent variable response prior to any attempt to change this response is known as the baseline. Correct option is B. 28. The most frequently used quasi-experimental design is the design A. Non-equivalent comparison group, B. Interrupted time series, C. Changing criterion, D. Regression discontinuity. Correct option is A. 29. A baseline is A. Used as the standard against which change induced by the treatment is assessed. B. Is the occurrence of a response in its freely occurring or natural state. C. Is first obtained prior to the administration of a treatment, or D. All. A correct option is D. All. 30. Psychology was defined as the science of behavior by, correct option is D. Behaviorists. So this was about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.